And I want to give you some brief idea about the Siler. Siler is a company who make a surgical microscope, and they are in the business for almost 78 years. Okay, and this company is in America, in St. Louis. So this company is almost same old like Zeiss. It's almost like 80 years old company, Siler Microscopes. Okay, and the company specialization is surgical microscope only. So they are more focusing in the dental and medical microscopes. So okay. Yeah, so that's what they are doing for last 80 years. So let's go through the some product details, and then we can start doing a more discussions later on also. Okay. So I'm sure now you can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's start from here. So this is see, Siler has a series which is called Alpha Air series. Alpha is a new series by Siler for last 2 years, and the Alpha Air series has a two model which is called Alpha Air 3 and Alpha Air 6. See, this is what you can see. We have a Alpha Air 3, which is a 3-step magnification, and Alpha Air 6 is a 6-step magnification. And I'm sure all of you, my friend, you understand magnification mean you can see a big picture of the specimen. Mean when the doctor want to watch a root canal or they want to make any treatment of the teeth, if they see a big picture of the teeth, they can do any surgery, they can do a root canal sterilization. Okay, all those endodontists, they always need a dental microscope in their practice. So 3-step mean they go to the 3 magnification level, mean they go up to 15x maximum, 15 times bigger. But when they go with a 6-step, they can go for a much bigger, they can even go up to 28 times bigger, the object, So this is what the mean magnification is. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll finish my presentation, then you people make your questions on your notepad, and then I'll give a time, and then you people start asking me the questions, please. Is that good, Talal?
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah. So we have, I think today we'll focus on 2 models, 3-step and 6 steps, which is our hot selling models in worldwide, because these are the budget microscope. Okay, so this is what we have in the feature. We have a mounting options. We have a 6 mounting option. We have a floor model. We have a tabletop. We have a ceiling model. We have a wall mounted. So we have all option of the microscopes. And we have a very good optics quality, which is from Germany, which is from a short glass. And we have all filters built in the microscope, because when you go for the dental, you have to have the filter. Otherwise, the composites will become the hard. So we have an orange filter inside the microscope, so you can differentiate the blood and the normal tissue. And we have all different kind of heads. You have an inclinable head, you have a straight head. All different kind of head you can have from our microscopes. So as I said, we have a different magnification level. We have starting from like say 2x, and then it can go up to 16x or 28x. And we have accessories. Mean if doctor want to use with the digital camera, they want to make video, they do a documentation, they can do everything, they can attach with our microscope.
Okay.
So see, this is what the Siler important features are. We have a very big pantographic arm. See, this is when you sell with the Chinese companies or anyone, they don't have such a big pantographic arm. And this one is the gas piston. See, gas piston is much better than the mechanical one, so that there is no vibration in the microscope, which is very important, my friend. Okay. And then we have a no locking knob. Now we have so it means you don't need Allen wrench. Most of the Chinese people, like, you need the Allen wrench to tighten the microscope, whereas our is is just a piston based only. And we have a very powerful light
Trial.
source. This is very important features in silent